friendly spin conditions. As usual, the captain has the brand new ball in his hand, bowling with a slip in place.
Swing straight away and missing the stumps. This was a typical Shaheen Afridi.
That is something that will help him. Traditionally, a swing bowler, the one that swings the ball back into the right-hander.
Dharmasana is at square leg position. And taken at mid-on. The ball probably stopping on the batsman. Shadab Khan making no mistake, and once again an early wicket falls for Australia. This time it's short.
This time it just takes him 2 deliveries. And this closes the bat face, so it's from the inside edge. And this is a good catch. Nicely timed jump. Shahzada Farhan at the mid-on position. Once again, Pakistan striking early. The captain striking early. And Matt Short goes back for a duck. Australia not for one.
Little bit of width into the gap, and first boundary is raised courtesy Josh Inglis. His delightful cut shot played with minimum of effort. Yeah, it's a cut shot once again, played beautifully. And 4 on the pads and worked away very nicely. Samad with a full length dive, wasn't able to stop the ball in the slot.
Did get onto the front foot in that second ODI. Once again, just a little bit of bat.
Lovely square drive from Josh Inglis, and just stands there and watches it disappear. That's another excellent shot from Josh Inglis. 12 off 26. Oh, and that's the danger.
That you have a game plan that's nicely played. Slightly quicker from Arafat. He picks up length quickly. Does Manas. Good piece of work at the fence, but get 3 for his troubles.
Topi's okay here. He's called for treatment to the right side of his head. See what happens here. Yeah, hits the ground really hard, and then also hits the fence. So double whammy.
Very difficult, if any, to decipher.
Oh, big mix-up. Will it be out? Oh, it's a direct hit, and he is gone. Manas Labuschagne was trying to force another run. He basically went all the way and was sent back, and in the end is run out.
He was almost reaching English. English had nothing to do with it. He said, no, I'm not coming. Well, he's been run out. Manas goes for 19. It's 46 for 2.
Oh, it's dropped it. Did it come off glove? It was very close to the stumps as well. It's definitely not out, but drama.
Yeah, first ball tries a reverse sweep, inside edge onto the pad. Yes, a certain chance. He got there. He's so disappointed that he's dropped that in the end.
Here's the reverse sweep again. Tries to catch it, but nearly gets to the boundary. Alex Carey is now off the mark.
Now the reverse sweep. We've seen a couple of sweeps, now the reverse, and that's gone to the fence. He's connected that very nicely as English.
On average, he's bowled 8 overs a game. He hasn't picked up a wicket, Shadab Khan. Brilliant. That might just be the first.
And just roll it back 1 frame, please. 1 frame. Yeah. Foot is grounded behind the line. Ready with my decision for the big screen.
Sent upstairs and very quickly abrasive slit on his head as well. Just trying to go up and over. Through the offside, and the captain for Australia marches on. Chase on for Arafat Minhas. Drags the ball with him, so boundaries in that extras column now added. Tucks it into the leg side and will bring up a milestone. A captain of Australia, Josh Inglis, with his 6th half century in the ODI format, and more importantly, back-to-back here in Pakistan.
He knows the rigors of batsmanship.
Deliberate, smart and extremely effective.
Bowling! Ball sails back in. Harris Rowe hits the timber.
Courtesy a pacey ball that came back, good seat position and hitting one of the cracks, and an extravagant movement back into the stumps and leaving a huge gap between bat and pad. Was Carey with a drive, and it's Harris Rowe with a leap of joy. 19 he got off 32, partnership broken, 98 for 3.
Lovely. He's so good. He's been so good throughout his innings, through the offside. Square drive to the fence, raises the 100. There hadn't been a direct throw, it still would have been out. Pulled away, timing's brilliant. And that has just skidded off to the fence.
Making use of the pace, Inglis.
The outside edge found, but that'll race away. Pace from Harris Rowe, but concedes the boundary. 114 for 3.
Oh, that's a beauty. That's missed the stumps and pitched outside the leg stump as well, I think. That's gone and hit the fence. It's been given as 4 leg byes. Thinking, conferring. What is the keeper saying?
Keep rolling through, please. Keep rolling through. Thank you. Clear gap between bat and ball. We'll go to ball tracking when ready, please. Pitching in line, impact in line. Wickets is umpire's call. On screen, signal now.
To English, can he get the ball to steam back in or cut back in? English tries his luck and he's gone. Farhan takes the catch. Shaheen Afridi back in the attack and gets the captain.
At home, cutting the ball and playing from the crease and attempting a shot through the line over the infield. And it's Sabzada Farhan once again at mid-on, who forces an exit. And gone at mid-wicket, and it's double blow for Shaheen Afridi. Babar Azam takes a neat catch.
Yeah, hit it well. The timing was good, but it was in the air and the fielder was placed for that purpose. Went swiftly to Babar. He didn't make any mistake. Shaheen Afridi, 2 wickets in the over. And the match changes. Cameron Green out for 720 for 5.
Only one notable performance so far. Edge taken. And it's the informed batsman not reading the googly. Tried to hit the ball through extra cover. Only managed an edge. You start walking because he's safe as houses in that position. Eyes on the ball. Wrapped it quite nicely.
Geez, he moved late, but straight into the hands, no problem. Shoulder height. And that is another huge breakthrough for Pakistan. They are right on top now. The inform Matt Renshaw has to go for 4. It is 126 for 6. There's that swing. An appeal. I think they're going to refer this. They're very, very confident here, Pakistan.
And his bowling nearly 141 kilometers per hour. That's encouraging, and this boundary is encouraging for Australia.
Bowled. Top of leg stump. He's gone right across his stumps trying to get it away fine. And Pakistan get another wicket, 7 down.
Moved outside the off stump. He was aiming to hit the ball finer, missed it completely. And Abrar is complimented his captain quite well. He has picked up 2 wickets now.
Well, there's an appeal. It just seemed like he hit the ball straight into the ground, but the umpires are just going to check just in case.
Now roll forward, please. Bat hits ground, bat hits ball. Keep it rolling through. Yeah, bat hits leg. Okay, ball hits leg, sorry. Let's go to the catch, please. Just make sure the catch is taken cleanly. Thank you. Ready with my decision for the big screen.
Finally, Shadab picks up a wicket in his 6th ODI. There was a long wait, and it's been celebrated by his teammates. Good to see that. And it's PAK, who was very impressive in the last outing, where Australia won the game against Pakistan. He goes for 7. It's 137 for 8.
Try and pick up 2. Run quick and get back.
On his batting performance rather than his bowling. Extravagant turn again, huge appeal, and given. It pitched outside off, turned back in sharply. Dharma Sena reckons that's out.
Ultra edge coming up now. Keep it rolling through, please. Thank you. Clear gap between bat and ball. No bats involved. We'll go to ball tracking when ready, please. Ball tracking coming now. Pitching outside off. Impact in line. Wickets missing.
Overturned on height. Oh, that's it. Stayed low. Turns back in. And another one pegs. Shadab has to.
As he goes back, yes, he did keep low, but he's been beaten on the inside of the pad. And Shadab has his 2nd. Pakistan now closing in. It's a wonderful 2nd part of their bowling performance. Adam Zappa out for 10, 156 for 9. Oh, trouble, and another one. A run out to end the innings.
Keep it rolling through. Keep it rolling through. Thank you. Ready with my decision for the big screen.
Comfortable in the end. Run out by some distance, Nathan Ellis. Australia 157 all out.